So an electric mountain railway makes 4 return trips every day. And each trip, the train goes up the mountain and back down. The train leaves from the foot of the mountain at 4 different time intervals at 9, 11, 13 and 15. The train returns from the top of the mountain at 10, 12, 14 and 16. Each train has 6 coaches and 80 seats available. That is, I have 6 coaches and each of these coaches have 80 seats, therefore 6 times 80 is going to give us 488 seats available in each coach. Passengers can only purchase a return ticket. All tickets must be purchased on the day of travel. The cost is $25 for the journey up and $25 for the journey down. Groups of between 10 and 80 passengers inclusive get a free ticket, and every 10th passenger provided they all travel together. So this is a very important condition here. If the number of passengers between 10 and 80, so each of the 10th passengers is going to get a free ticket. We're going to look at how to solve this particular problem. Passengers must book their return train journey as well as their departure train journey when they purchase a ticket. So whenever they are purchasing the ticket, they will have to choose the time for going up and time for going down. But what's more important, you're going to see that the last train from the top of the mountain has 2 extra coaches on it. Therefore, if we do a little calculation, 2 extra coaches means that we're going to have 8 coach. And 8 coach times 8 T seats, that's going to give us 640. The train times are displayed on a large screen together with the number of tickets still available for each train. Every time a ticket is booked, the display is updated. When a train is full, the word close is displayed instead of the number of tickets available. Now again, you will have to create your program in such a way that they involve particular validation, error messages, and all variable and constant they must have meaningful names. So start of the day is for the task 1. Write a program to set up the screen display for the start of the day. We need to initialize particular data structures to total passengers for each train journey and total the money taken for each train journey. Each train journey must be totaled separately. There are 4 journeys up and 4 journeys down. Now what's important, if you take a look here, is that when a particular person is choosing the time to return, he may not choose, that is, if he goes up at 9, it is not obligatory for the person to return at 10, so he may choose 12, 14 or 16. So we have to cater for that particular condition. So if we look at the different time interval the train will be going up, so it will be starting at 9 AM, then the train will go up again at 11, and then at 13 hours, then 15 PM. Therefore it's the same train who is going up at 9 and the same train who is going to come back at 10 AM down. Okay, so for the train going down, it will be going down at 10, 12, 14 and 16. As you can see, there are 4 different possible values that I need to store for the passengers or the number of free tickets available. So for task 1, I'm using 2 arrays, passengers underscore up, which is going to store the value 480, 480, 480 and 480 on all indices. So all indices of the array holds a value 480 because initially no one has ordered any ticket. So before our program is running, we need to initialize my array passengers underscore up. So why I'm using passengers underscore up, it is going to store the number of free tickets available for each time interval the train is going to go up. So for example, passengers underscore up, when I'm reading index 1, so as you can see, passengers underscore up square bracket 1 will give me the number of available tickets at 9 AM to go up the mountain. Same for passengers underscore up 2 will give the number of tickets available at time 11. Now for passengers underscore down array, it's the number of tickets available for the different time intervals, that is 10, 12, 14 and 16. If I look at passengers underscore down, it will give the number of available tickets at 10 to go down the mountain. And passengers underscore down index 2 will give the number of tickets available at 12. You'll see that the last index is 640 because the number of available tickets at that point in time is 640 because there will be 2 extra coaches. I think it has been mentioned in the pre-release material. Now concerning costs, we're going to use a single array for costs. So if you look at index 1, it means that for the train going up and down at 9 and 10, that means we are paying a single cost for one particular passenger, but remember that we can choose a particular time to go up, but the time to go down will not be same as up. It can be same, but it can be different at the same time. So we have to cater for this condition. So for task 1, we'll have to declare all arrays and initialize initial values. So all the arrays passenger up and down should be initialized. We should take a cater for the time using pseudocode and VB code also. We need to declare one array for cost and maybe constant for maximum passengers and cost for a given ticket. Then we'll write codes to display free tickets available for going up and down the hill. So next we're going to look at the pseudocode version of task 1. Thanks for watching.